Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox names. Your Roblox presence is defined by two key elements, your permanent username and your flexible display name. The username acts as your unique account identifier, remaining constant across the platform. Your display name, on the other hand, is the name most players will see in games and on your profile. It offers a fantastic way to express your personality and creativity. Understanding both is crucial for managing your identity effectively. Changing your display name is a straightforward process accessible through your account settings. First, log into your Roblox account and locate the gear icon, which takes you to your settings page. From there, navigate to the Account Info tab. You will find a field specifically for display name. Simply input your desired new name, ensuring it adheres to the rules, and save your changes. Remember, you can update your display name once every 7 days. There are a few important guidelines to follow when choosing a new display name. Your name should be between 3 and 21 characters long, allowing for a good range of options. You can use letters, numbers, and even some special characters like underscores to add flair. Crucially, all display names must comply with Roblox's community standards. This means avoiding any offensive language or sharing personal details. Always review your choice carefully. It is important to distinguish between your permanent username and your flexible display name. While your display name is highly visible in most game environments and on your main profile, your unique username still serves as your core account identifier. It remains visible in specific areas, like your profile URL, and is how friends can reliably search for you. The display name offers creative freedom, while your username maintains your underlying account identity across the vast Roblox platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.